Welcome to 128 Minnick Road, Chambersburg, Pennsylvania. I have an incredible end row townhouse for you today. 1,700 square feet. Everything's been updated inside. It's absolutely meticulously maintained, super clean. We have 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and just a lot of big spaces. With it being an end row and you having an extra, I believe it's like 3 feet on this versus some of the others, it just feels very big in here. Obviously, we just flowed through the living room. Nice big kitchen here, all tile backsplash, lots of little updates throughout. And then one of my favorite things outside of the huge primary I'm gonna show you in a second upstairs, you have this open space behind us here, which is just awesome for seasons like this in the fall, spring, summer. Might be actually just some sledding here in the winter. It'd be great for that. But you could even screen this off too and just have a really nice space. Storage closet there for extra storage. We do have a 1-car garage here as well. But once again, nice big kitchen, dining room here, living room. Your half bath is right around the corner here. I'm gonna get you upstairs in just a second. You have an interior entrance from the garage, lots of space there for storage and all. Little utility closet, pantry back here, coats, whatever you wanna put in there. And then half bath in here that's all been updated, nice tile flooring, the mirror, all of your fixtures been updated, very clean. And this is just convenient so your guests don't have to go upstairs, obviously. Let's head upstairs though, another coat closet storage here. As we go upstairs, one of my favorite things is this nice trim work around the window, the beautiful lights, all the carpets, super clean and updated. Nice big washer and dryer, linen closet right in here. So you do have all this space as well. This conveys with the property. But the thing that sells houses, as you always hear me say, is kitchens and primary bathrooms, bedrooms. You have a ton of space here. This is a king bed. You still have lots of space here, nursery spot, super great. 2 big closets here that are very organized. Lots of space inside here. So plenty of space for the clothes. And then in the primary bath here, all updated vanity, nice lighting. And then our shower here, take a look at this, very clean, very nice, all updated. Super good. But once again, lots of space up here, which when you get into townhomes, obviously the price is super desirable, great price, but they just get kind of crammed sometimes. You don't have that problem here. Stepping into the second full bathroom, all tile throughout, all updated, nice, beautiful vanity. This matches the primary as well, which is great. Another linen closet, lots and lots of storage space here. This would be your 3rd bedroom, and even in this bedroom, I mean, you could put a king in here, no problem. Walk-in closet, lots and lots of space. I love the built-ins around the top here. Put some books up there. This could be your library if maybe you're a bachelor looking to get this, or for the kids, there's some toys up there. They can't reach them, so that'd be handy. In here, we have our 3rd bedroom, nice and big, great space. 2nd or 3rd, you can interchange them, but lots of space in here. Nice big closet too. This is well sized for being a townhome. If you have questions on this property, reach out to me. If you want to get a tour of this property, send me a message. I'll get you in here right away. A property like this, and look, this is looking out here. I love that you're not squished between another townhome. So you have lots and lots of natural light flowing in here. We barely have any lights on. This property is still super bright right now. But once again, if you want to get a tour, send me a message. We'll get you in here right away. Oh, the wind got it. Anyways, my name's Luke Schlabach. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys soon. And if you make an offer today, you can probably get in here before Thanksgiving, have Thanksgiving dinner here, Christmas, all that good stuff. Beautiful neighborhood, super nice. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.